Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all are doing well. Welcome back Murahari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain integration part 14. Now explain question number 1. Integral tan 1 by x whole square dx. So this type of problems by using substitution method, let us take 1 by x is equal to t. 1 by x is equal to t. Now first we have to find dx. Now derivative on both sides. So derivative of 1 by x, we get 1 minus 1 by x square dx is equal to dt. Now dx by x square is equal to minus dt. Okay? What is the statement? Tan 1 by x whole square. This can be written as tan square 1 by x square into dx. Okay, clear? So integral tan square 1 by x. So tan 1 by x place we should write t. This is tan square t. So dx by x square. So dx by x square value we got it minus dt. Okay, minus 1 constant, integral tan square t dt. We have tan square t formula, secant square t minus 1. So minus of integral secant square t dt minus 1 dt. So this will going to be integral secant square t tan t formula minus 1 dt value t. Derivative integration get cancelled, this value t plus c. So minus tan of, in the place of t we should write 1 by x. So minus into minus plus, so t place and write 1 by x plus c. This is the answer. Let us go to the next problem. Integral dx by 9 sin square x plus 16 cos square x. How can solve this problem? Okay, this is in the form of integral dx by a square sin square x plus b square cos square x. Okay. So what is the working rule? So this type of problems we should divide either sin square x or cos square x on numerator as well as denominator. We should divide sin square x or cos square x on numerator as well as denominator. Okay, so this statement divide on numerator and denominator with cos square x. So divide cos square x on numerator as well as denominator. Therefore integral dx by cos square x upon 9 sin square x by cos square x plus 16 cos square x by cos square x. Okay, now cos square x get cancelled. Now I say that 1 by cos square x, this is nothing but secant square x dx by, so 9 sin square x by cos square x value tan square x plus 16. So let us take tan x is equal to t because this derivative is there on numerator. So let us take tan x is equal to t. This derivative is secant square x dx is equal to dt. Okay, this will be integral secant square x dx value dt by 9 t square plus 16. Okay, this will going to be dt by 9 t square. This can be written as 9 t square. This can be written as 3t whole square plus 4 square. Okay, we have one formula integral dx by x square plus a square. This is equal to 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. 1 by a tan inverse x by a, where constant value 4, variable place in 3t there. So now applying this for that formula, 1 by a, 1 by 4 tan inverse of x by a. So variable 3t by 4 plus c. So in the place, okay, very important point, derivative of 3t is 3, integration is 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 into this total result. In the place of t, we should write tan x. This answer will be 1 by 12 into tan inverse 3 into t place in right tan x by 4 plus c. So 3 tan x by 4 plus c. Okay, now moving to next question. Integral sin x dx by sin x minus cos x. How can solve this problem? For this type of problems, we should divide and multiply by 2. We should divide and multiply by 2. This 1 by 2 times of this 2 sin x. In numerator 2 sin x can be written as sin x minus cos x plus sin x plus cos x. This means one cos x adding and subtraction. Sin x, 2 sin x is sin x plus sin x. So what is the denominator? Sin x minus cos x. So by sin x minus cos x, by sin x minus cos x. Okay. Now sin x minus cos x get cancelled. So 1 by 2 times of integral 1 dx plus integral sin x plus cos x dx by sin x minus cos x. We have 1 dx value x. So let us take denominator is t, then numerator will be dt. Sin x minus cos x is equal to t. Now derivative on both sides. Derivative of sin x is cos x. Derivative of cos x we get minus sin x dx is equal to dt. Okay, clear? Minus into minus plus. So this will be cos x plus sin x into dx is equal to dt. Okay, this continuation. 1 by 2 times of integral 1 dx value x plus integral, if denominator is t, then numerator will be dt. So integral dt by t. So 1 by 2 times of x plus integral dt by t, we get log t plus c. So 1 by 2 times of x plus log of modulus of t, where t place in we should write sin x minus cos x. This is the answer, final answer. Now moving to next question. Integral sin 2x dx by a square cos square x plus b square sin square x. Okay, this type of problem by using substitution. Let us take denominator is equal to t. This total denominator equal to t, a square cos square x plus b square sin square x equal to t. Now derivative on both sides. A square constant, derivative of cos square x we get 2 cos x, but derivative of cos x is minus sin x by using same rule, plus b square into derivative of sin square x we get 2 sin x, but derivative of sin x is cos x, dx is equal to dt. So 2 cos x sin x, 2 cos x sin x take out common. So 2 cos x sin x is nothing but sin 2x. So remaining value b square minus a square dx is equal to dt. Is it okay? Okay, next sin 2x dx is equal to, we need sin 2x dx value, dt by b square minus a square. Since 2 sin x cos x is equal to sin 2x, now this is going to be, what is the statement? Integral sin 2x dx expression, we should write dt by b square minus a square. This total, all denominator value, write t. 1 by b square minus a square constant. Okay, integral dt by t. This is going to be log t. So integral dt by t is log t. Why? Because derivative of log t 1 by t. Integral 1 by t log t. This is equal to 1 by b square minus a square log of, in the place of t, we should write this value, a square cos square x plus b square sin square x. This is the final answer. Okay, let us go to the next problem. Question number 5. Integral. How can solve this problem? E to the power x secant x. E to the power x secant x into the secant x multiply with these two terms. So secant x into 1 secant x plus x tan x into secant x. So now by using substitution method, let us take x secant x is equal to t. Why? Because this is dt. So let us take x secant x is equal to t. Now derivative on both sides by using uv. So uv formula is u into derivative of v plus v into derivative of u. So x into derivative of secant x tan x plus v, where v place in secant x there, secant v into derivative of x1 dx is equal to dt. Is it okay? Okay, now integral e to the power x secant expression, write t. This total will be dt. So e to the power t into e to the power t dt. Integral e to the power t plus c. So derivative of u to the power t, e to the power t. Integration also same. So e to the power, in the place of t, we should write x secant x. Now moving to next question. Integral x dx by root 1 minus x square into cos square root 1 minus x square. This kind of problems by using substitution method. So let us take root 1 minus x square is equal to t. Root 1 minus x square is equal to t. Now derivative on both sides. So derivative of root function 1 by 2 root function. So by using chain rule, derivative of 1 0, derivative of x square, we get 2x dx is equal to dt. Now 1 2 get cancelled. First we have to find x dx by root 1 minus x square. So x dx by root 1 minus x square is equal to minus dt. This is minus x dx by root 1 minus x square is equal to t dt. Therefore x dx by root 1 minus x square is equal to minus dt. Now, so what is the statement? In the statement, x dx by root 1 minus x square. So this expression we should write minus dt by cos square. So root 1 minus x square value t. So minus 1 by cos square t. 1 by cos square t, this is nothing but secant square t. Minus integral secant square t formula is tan t. So minus of tan of, in the place of t, we should write root 1 minus x square. This is the final answer. So let us go to the next problem. integral x square plus 2x to the power 4 plus 3x to the power 6 plus 1 plus x square plus x to the power 4 power 1 by 2 dx. So this type of problem is most important. Now in this one x take out common, only x plus 2x cube plus 3x to the power 5 into this will write as it is. This is the root function dx. Okay, this x multiply with root under value. We know that x into root y. X into root y, this can be written as root over y into x square. Okay, integral x plus 2x cube plus 3x to the power 5 into this x multiply with root under value. So root over, according to this one, x square into 1 x square plus x to the power 4 plus x to the power 6 dx. So let us take under root under value is equal to t, because x square plus x to the power 4 plus x to the power 6 is equal to t. So now derivative on both sides. Derivative of x square, we get 2x, x to the power 4, 4x cube. Derivative of x to the power 6, 6x to the power 5. Dx is equal to dt. In this one 2 take out common, x plus 2x cube plus 3x to the power 5 dx is equal to dt. Is it clear? So, but our target is x plus 2x cube plus 3x to the power 5 dx. So this is equal to x plus 2x cube plus 3x to the power 5 dx is equal to dt by 2. Therefore, this continuous integral, first write under root value, root over x square plus x to the power 4 plus x to the power 6. This expression we should write t, root t, x plus 2x cube plus 3x to the power 5 dx. This expression we should write dt by 2. Now this is going to be 1 by 2 constant root t, t to the power 1 by 2 dt. Therefore 1 by 2 into t, t to the power 1 by 2 integration is t to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. Okay, this continuation 1 by 2 times of t to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1. This is equal to 1 by 2 times of, this is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means 2 by 3 into t power 3 by 2 plus c. 1 2 get cancelled. 1 by 3 into, in the place of t we should write x square plus x to the power 4 plus x to the power 6 power 3 by 2. This is the final answer. Okay, thank you for watching. Okay, thank you for watching. Remaining problems I will explain on next part.